Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're at chapter 3, section 10.3. This is a lab where we are troubleshooting our processor, troubleshoot processor installation 1. I believe this is the first lab for processor troubleshooting in this section. Let's go ahead and read the scenario. You work at a computer repair store. A customer purchased and installed the latest AMD Phenom 2 processor in their computer. However, now the computer will not start. You need to repair the customer's computer. In this lab, your task is to verify the problem. Possible problems include the heat sink fan and the heat sink and fan are not installed. The fan power connector is not connected to the motherboard. The CPU is not supported by the BIOS. The CPU is bad. Diagnose and correct the problem. So let's go ahead and get this lab started. All right, first we're going to check and see um, all right, computer failed to turn on. So let's take a look at the motherboard, and the heat sink is installed. The fan, it's plugged in. So CPU is not supported by the BIOS. So let's plug. We're gonna put you here. Keep you close. Yeah. Okay. Um, and it's a AM3 AM3 socket. Okay, let's take a look at the motherboard details. Go to specifications. Go to 2. It tells us what sockets. AM3 CPU socket. So that's not it. That leads me to believe the CPU is bad. So we're going to go ahead and, there's another one. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to plug you in here. And we're going to plug in our heatsink on top. We're going to plug in the fan. Scroll in so you can see the CPU fan plugged in. All right, and we're going to take a look at, let's go to the front. Exit. I think we're good. It's loading. It's loading. Excuse me. All right, let's check. All right, 100. Install the processor from the shelf. Connect the heatsink and fan. Do not disconnect the heatsink fan power. All right. Score the lab. That took us 2 minutes and 22 seconds. So we're going to scroll so you can see the explanation. Pause to read. All right, and so that one wasn't too hard. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Yeah, okay, bye.